Dear students, today we are going to discuss on water distribution system. So water distribution system, it is the final stage of water supply studies. So we know that we are having sources. From the sources, so we have the from the sources we have the treatment plant. From the treatment plant, water will be treated. Then from there it will go for the distribution system. So what is a distribution system? A distribution system is a combination of the water pipes which connect the consumers from the treatment plant to the consumer level. Let us see the components and elements in the water distribution system. So the purpose of distribution system is to deliver water to consumer with appropriate quality, quantity and pressure. Distribution system is used to describe collectively the facility used to supply water from its source to the point of usage. So what are the requirements of a good distribution system? Water quality should not get deteriorated in the distribution pipes because of the pipe material, because of any reason like leakages in pipe or any breakages should be taken into account. It should be capable of supplying water at all the intended places with sufficient pressure. So the person who is staying nearer to the reservoir or distribution reservoir should have the same pressure. We should ensure that the person who is in the depth end or the far away from the supply reservoir should have the same kind of pressure, or the sufficient pressure should be maintained. You should be capable of supplying request amount of water during firefighting. So any accident happens, any emergency situations, we should ensure that we are having the water supply system. The layout should be such that no consumer would be without water supply during the repair of any section of system. So during the maintenance system, we should ensure that all the people are having water. So we have to design a distribution system in such a way that we are not compromising during any repair or maintenance time. We are not cutting down any water supply. All the distribution pipe should be preferably laid 1 meter away or above the sewer line. So in our system, normally our distribution system will be designed along the side of road network. So normally in one side we have sewer line, another side we have our water distribution system or water pipes. So in some cases, because of the less space availability in urban environment, what people are doing, they have in the same side we will have both your water supply pipe and the sewer line. So we have to ensure that both are away from 1 meter. So this is true for the safety purpose. Safety in the sense, if there are any breakages or any problem, the water should not get contaminated. To ensure that, we should keep both the pipe network away from 1 meter. It should be fairly watertight as to keep losses due to large leakage to the minimum. So a study says that in current advanced methods, if you are applying an advanced method, the water supply system, the leakages will be 20 to 30%. But in old pipes, if you are using old pipes and old method, the study says that 70% of the water will be wasted. So evaluating distribution system quantity, how we can ensure that how much amount of water we are supposed to supply. So we have to go for at least 10 years prediction. So we know that different methods, we study the different methods to predict the water demand using the population and the current scenario. So we have to predict the population for 10 years and our water supply system should ensure that it will withstand for 10 years. Layout of distribution network. The distribution pipes are generally laid below the road pavement such that layout generally follow the layout of roads, as I said earlier. So road will be taken into the baseline. Okay, through the road or along the side of the road, we will have our water distribution system. There are general 4 different types of pipe networks. We will see one by one. So we can have dead end system, radius system, grid tie system, ring system. So these are the 4 methods of networking the pipe in a city. So each method has its own advantages and disadvantages. So each method, to select a particular method, we need some technical guidelines, we need the pattern, we need the topology of the particular place or the city where we are going to go for the water